when leaving the train.
Daniel.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Right, there we go. So we're in Abu Dhabi, we're halfway there. We've taken our time eating food, but now we have to run to the gate. Well, not run, but walk fast. Okay, he doesn't run for anything, unless it's football. Yeah. But we got to go this way now, so see you in a bit. Right, so yesterday we were just getting used to India. Didn't really want to have my phone out or my camera because I've been told it's not the best idea. Anyway, so we're in our hostel. This is it, double bed, shower, bathroom, telly, air conditioning. So looks like we have all the amenities. We've got rupees today. We've got Uber, which is very cheap here, so I'd recommend that if I were you. And we're going to go to a couple of sites today. So there we go. So at the moment, just outside, well, we're inside the Red Fort. It's all white though. Bit weird. Morning. So after we walked to the train station, we got told that the train was cancelled. We're on it now, so that was complete bullshit. Yeah, if anyone ever comes up to you saying the train is cancelled, go to another train station, go to another tourist bureau, just completely ignore them. Download a couple of apps that I'll put up here now, and yeah, then you'll know you'll be safe. As long as you've got a SIM card that works, happy days. Right, off to Agra. So they really take care of you on these trains. So cornflakes, toast, well, bread, jam and ketchup for some reason, and that is boiling milk. Hot milk with cornflakes. That'll be interesting. Right, over here.
So it's going to the rails or something around here, isn't it?
Oh, there we go. Fucking hot. So apparently you're not supposed to film in here, but to be honest, I found the quietest area. It's done. One of the quietest areas in here. It's pretty much in the corner, as you can see. Nothing around, nobody around. Yeah, you can't really film anywhere, but not bad for a view, is it? So today I'm wearing the same thing as yesterday, but we're in Agra Fort, which already looks better than the Taj Mahal. Yeah, you heard me say that.
So it's about 4:45. I don't know what day it is. I'm with Dan, obviously. We're in the Taj Nature Reserve Park area. 100 rupees to get in, so about £1.25, no more than that. Apparently there's a really nice spot where you can see the Taj Mahal, but at the moment Dan is taking a picture of a peacock. You can see middle frame there. It's alright, it's not as busy as everything else around here, so let's see what we can find. So I think we found the spot. There you go.
Stay there. Oh, you
That. So, not a bad view, but I think we can do better. Walking around here, cows, peacocks, Taj Mahal. Not bad, eh? Who am I kidding?
May I have your attention, please?
I'm not even going to impress anyone. Right, so we've got here. Train is already delayed by an hour. Solid start. So it's going to be here about 8. Time now 6:10. Cool. It's now 8:30. We're still here. The train is delayed by about 2 hours. Apparently we're going to be leaving at 9, but no idea. We'll find out in a sec, eh? Okay, so it's 9:12. Train should have been here at 6:55. It's supposed to be at 9:05. They called the train about 2 minutes ago. Still not here. Chins everywhere. It's here. I don't know when we're going to be getting there though. But it's definitely here. Come on mate, blow your horn. Good start. We're charging our phones obviously. And we're moving. Which is good. Found out there's no food in this train. So thankfully we've bought loads of crisps and loads of drinks. So it'll keep us entertained until we get to Jaipur. 3 probably hours late. It's going to be a fun one. So we're on the train. This is the toilet. It's Western. It's got a fan and it extracts fan, so it doesn't stink of shit. Actually got a toilet roll, which is good, and it actually has soap, which is even better. Let's get out of here. So as I was hanging outside the window earlier, I felt some little droplets on my face. It wasn't until I realised that all the wee goes onto the tracks. Yeah, and it was being kicked up, thrown back onto the side of the windows. It's a bit grim. But anyway, I'll show you the room. So Dan's actually asleep, but plug outlets, closet, and it actually locks as well. Which is good. All in all, it's a decent cabin. About an hour in, and we've stopped. We've been stationary here for about 10 minutes. Nothing much going on outside.
Nothing much is actually happening outside, so come in for part 2. We're going to see this, and this. See ya.